What's going on, guys? I'm Roadmaster, and today we have an exciting vlog today. We are not doing anything to this car, which I know we said we were, but now we have something way more exciting going on. So today, let me just readjust the camera here. Today we are going to rebuild Jake's truck. This is going to be, I don't know how many parts I'm going to do this in, maybe all one video, maybe like 1 or 2 parts, but yes, we're going to Taylor's house. Jake's going to bring his truck there, and we're going to start pulling the motor and taking the whole thing apart. So it's probably going to be 2 parts. It's probably going to be 1 part of us pulling the motor and tearing down everything, and then the second part is going to be putting it back together. And Taylor's going to be doing some time lapse for you guys while I'm at work, because they're going to be working on this tomorrow too. Today is currently Friday, and I had off today, so yeah, I got the Mustang all washed up, probably for the last time this year. Probably gonna put it away after this. I gotta still kind of clean it up a little bit, but once I get back today, it's gonna go right in here in this garage, and that's gonna be it for the year, I think. I don't know, maybe if we get some more nice days, but I'm planning on doing a whole detail on it this coming week and putting her in there. So yeah, so with that, I will see you guys at Taylor's house. So we made it to Taylor's house, and we got the truck right here, and I'm just gonna keep updating you guys because it's chaos here. And so yeah, motor's right there, carburetor's off, and they're doing stuff under there, so jacking the truck up. And yeah, I was gonna keep updating you guys once we get some progress going.
You don't gotta put a lot of pressure on it. Just
no, it's just resting now.
All right. There it is. She's coming loose.
All right.
She's breaking free! So what does she do? She splits.
All right. Up a little bit more, Sarah B. Stop. All right. A little bit more. All right. All right. Stop.
Right in time for us to get this thing out. Oh wait, we're loose. We're loose. You just got it loose.
Take it up.
Pump it up another, Sarah.
Am I good?
Yeah, you.
One more.
Easy.
Stop.
Yeah. No, I'm kidding, Jilly.
We're pivoting on something on your side, Taylor.
All right,
You have to come back.
Is there a dollar?
I think so.
No, it just got a hand. Watch out. So, Jake, push the motor that way. We're twisting. Push it Dad's way.
All right.
There it is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well, the dog's gonna eat that.
We're gonna have to wash the driveway.
Right. And just like that, the rod-knocking 454 was released from the bowels of the mighty Chevy small block truck.
I hope it's not sound.
But originally it was a small block truck. All right, Sarah, not too fast. All right, when it gets bouncing like that, you're putting.
Bouncing's bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just take it up real slow. All right, you're not jacking a hand cart down the railroad track. You're just picking up an engine, real slow. By the time we're done with this, it's gonna be.
Look at this. Are we good?
No.
Yeah, you are.
We're high. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Slow and steady.
That oil pan might.
Slow,
Hit it.
Slow.
We're clear. Keep going. All right. Take her down.
Slow, but don't take her all the way down. Somebody else,
I got it.
somebody else control it. Because if you drop this thing on the oil pan, you're gonna get an ass whooping of a
No
lifetime.
bouncing. Nice and centered. All the way
Oh
down.
yeah, dude. We got this.
Don't we have
fucking
to set
engine
it
out
on
in like an
something?
hour. How long have we been
Just
working
a
at
few
this?
inches off the ground. You want a little center of gravity so you can move around. All right, that's good.
All right.
All right.
Fucking A, Jack.
Hell yeah.
Look at how high this thing sits now.
Alright, guys, so we just got the motor out of the truck,
No.
and yeah, it's only like 8 o'clock, so we did pretty fast. So now we're gonna clean this up,
Is it knocking or?
get the transmission up, and yeah.
I just sent you guys the video of it. Oh my god, dude, it just sits like when it's idling, it's just sitting in there.
So yeah, I'll update you guys when we're done. Alright guys, we had to make a quick pit stop to Home Depot, so get some bolts so we can put this thing on the engine stand. Alright guys, walking out of Home Depot, I got the snacks. Jacob's got the bolts we need, and the car looks so good. But we're gonna head back, put this engine on the engine stand, and we'll be set to go.
But wait. Here, Johnny. There's your thumbnail. Did you see that, dude? Here, Johnny. Here's your thumbnail. You'll get all the clicks in the world. He's gonna have to do so much editing.
Oh, there he is. Oh my god, wait. I'm gonna take a panorama and you should moon it.
No. I don't want him to have a video of that.
Hey, Megan.
Yeah,
Oh, that'd be so funny.
so it can, and if that doesn't work, just right here like this, just drop it. Don't throw it, just drop it. Damn, that thing's fucking in there.
Run it back in. Why is it stuck on there? Is it the right side?
Yeah. Now I feel nice. Damn, girl. Alright, man, hold it. I need a hammer!
Who gave me this?
Please move it.
I can't wait for that socket to just split in half. Alright, hit you back later. One head is removed. Hello FTV, welcome to my crib. Allah Akbar! Demonetized!
I'm working in my garage. Nothing but the back when it's my turn. Alright, folks, Taylor Fox here. I just took his head off. That's a lot of damage.
Make another commercial.
We'll be back, folks, right after this break.
Hi, folks. Taylor Fox here. And after a long day in the shop, I want something to clean my hands on. And my shirt just won't do. That's why I use Tampax towels.
You know damn well he's gonna put this in the video too. He's gonna make little commercials.
We'll make it featured.
We are not in any way sponsored by Snap-on.
Hold on. What is this part?
Gotta throw in the disclaimers.
Which lifter blew up?
Kevin Durant. And tonight on Ink Masters, Kevin is doing his hardest to stay in the challenge. All you had to do is put numbers on pistons.
Yep.
Kevin's been tattooing for 35 years. But not on himself, because the Lord won't accept that.
And time.
We're looking at it.
All right.
Tonight we will find out, is he staying? Dun, dun, dun.
Hi there, folks. Taylor Bach here with another product review. Are you looking for an oil filter that just won't fail, that just simply won't let down? Take care of your engine after 100,000 miles? Well, let me tell you what not to get. Fram, motherfuckers. Built to last. My ass.
What do you think of it, John?
This is what it looks like when I take my bike out for the first time in the season.
He discovered the foam cannon.
I didn't just fuck my electronics up.
I mean, you're the bike guy. Alright guys, so I don't know what the last clip it was that you guys saw, but I've been cleaning the engine bay of Jacob's truck. I just got here like probably half an hour ago, so I don't know what they recorded. When I go through this, I'm gonna find out. Let's put it right there. Yeah, they're tearing down the motor in there. John's washing his bike.
Did you match up the ends? Are you matched right? So I gotta.
Damn.
So we gotta torque that down, and I gotta measure it.
Guys, so that is going to officially end this video. We got Jacob's truck right here, and the motor is sitting under those tarps right here. Actually, let me come show you guys. So we got his block all stripped down, and I had a time lapse for you guys, but the footage was corrupt, so couldn't get that to download on my computer. So sorry about that. I'm gonna have a time lapse of us putting it back together, but that's gonna officially end part 1 of the rebuild for this truck. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like down below and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on the roads.